Hi, my name is Abby, and this is my response to Carson's video, where he talked about innovation and what it was. Starting off, Carson explained what he had learned throughout this module. He learned that there will always be people that doubt your innovation and ideas, but you need to stand strong in what you believe and dream of and block out the haters. I definitely agree with Carson because listening to all the doubt and negativity can definitely affect one's motivation and creativity. If you continue to doubt yourself, nothing will ever get done. Innovation is a process and it often has some failures involved. It's okay to listen to constructive criticism to improve your innovation because trial and error is often part of the process, but you shouldn't let it hinder the process. Carson then went on to talk about how creativity plays a role in innovation and entrepreneurship by saying that creativity helps start the process of innovation and continue the development of the process. By being creative, new ideas are stimulated and problem solving turns into an outlet to push the envelope and further improve the service or item that is being innovated and often used by entrepreneurs. Innovation is critical to our life. Just like Carson explained, innovation is everywhere, and without it, there wouldn't be all the amazing tools and systems that we use on a daily basis. Lastly, Carson talked more about the different approaches to innovation. The first approach is to have a clear and realistic goal. This is a great way to approach anything in life, not just the innovative process. By having a clear and realistic goal, you know what you are working towards and can help to keep that in mind when you start to drift from doubt in the process. The other approach mentioned was using the customer's opinions and needs to innovate. In the world of business, everything is driven by the consumer's wants and needs, so using this to innovate will prove to be successful. Overall, Carson did a really great job explaining what innovation is and how it plays a huge role in our society.